Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Fall Guys error code 200_010. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to sign in but are unable to do so. According to our research, this error is likely related to temporary issues with the game, outdated version of the game, or problems with the Epic Games or Fall Guys servers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and restart your device. Once the device is restarted, relaunch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, then check if you need to update the game. If there is any pending update available, install it and then relaunch the game. Then check for the error again. If you still get the error, then check if the Fall Guys or Epic Games servers are down. You can visit status.epicgames.com or use downdetector.com to check if the Epic Games or Fall Guys servers are having any problems. If so, then wait till servers come back to normal and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.